In this video, I'll walk you through how to rename a channel with spaces and capitals on Discord using the new method. Right-click on the channel you want to rename to open a context menu with several options. Click Edit Channel to open the Channel Settings Overview page where you can modify the name. Click into the Channel Name field to select the current name, then type your new name with capitals and spaces. For this example, we type Movie Night. Click the Save Changes button to apply the new name to your channel. This method works for text channels, voice channels, and categories. Just open Edit Channel for whichever one you want to rename. While Discord will display your capitals and spaces in the channel settings, the actual channel URL still uses lowercase with hyphens, so any direct links will show the old format. If you want to change the name back later, just open Edit Channel again and type a new name in the same way. And that's how to rename a channel with spaces and capitals on Discord. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.